Hello everyone, this is Munya Scripts from Munya Scripts Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. Today we are going to be basically sharing on the three tips to see that you create better business cards as a creative, as someone who is basically a graphics designer, or as someone who is basically a content creator, or anyone out there who would want to have a wonderful business card for his business, for his art, or any service that you happen to provide and you may be in need of a business card. So remember to subscribe to this channel, that is Munya Scripts Lifestyle, and you click on that notification button so that you do not miss out on any videos that I happen to upload and we happen to share as creative people. So here are some, let me get them. Here are some of the tips, the 3 tips that you need to know if I told you to create a business card that is professional. Okay, so use design softwares. Okay, use design softwares. Okay, there are some softwares that are basically professional about creating business cards, and if you are working on creating your first business card and you are uncertain about how to design it, consider researching business cards design softwares. Okay, they are online graphic design applications that can provide business card templates to help you start the process. So what you should know, if at all you are creating business cards, there are quite a number of applications that have templates, that can help you create business cards. And the other thing that you should keep in mind also is, with business cards or any design that you may happen to want to create, there are different websites that can even help you, provide you with some templates. Let's say we have freepik.com. Okay, you can use that. And also remember that I happen to create some platforms whereby you can upload your content, digital content like templates, softwares, and you earn 65% of the prices that you happen to set. Okay, that is latestugmusic.com, latestugmusic.online, and another one that is latestugmusic.xyz, that is like Gigi, okay, where you can upload your content, okay, like a flyer that shows basically what you do or what you are basically selling, and billions of people can contact you and you earn. Okay, so besides that, the other tip is use your business card to represent your brand. As an artist, your brand reflects your technical abilities, style, creativity, and even personal disposition. Okay, making sure that your business card is accurate presentation or your brand can help you maintain brand consistency and promotes yourself, or helps you promote yourself as a professional. Then keep your business card simple. So as any person who is basically creating a business card, make sure that you keep it simple. However much you make it difficult, remember, you are not creating this for you. You are creating it basically for clients that you are aiming at winning, okay, so that they may come to you to create for them business cards, to like offer them the service that you can provide. So keep the business card as simple as possible and as attractive as possible, so that if at all I'm here watching that business card from here, a friend of mine can see it may be shining from a far distance and is like, what is that? May I have a look at that design? So eventually he may end up contacting you to provide the same service as a creative. Okay, so, or maybe he may be attracted by your choice of maybe the colors that you happen to use and a little bit of more stuff. So remember to keep it in mind that this is a channel whereby you can you can contact me and I help you out, because I'm also a creative person like you. Or even we can remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any tip that we happen to share as creative people. Thanks for watching and take care. Okay.